Hello, and welcome to your alignment manifestation meditation. You are here today because you know, you believe, and you have the certainty that you can manifest anything in your life. By the end of today's meditation, you will align your mind and your soul for a fast and powerful manifestation of all your biggest visions. Today, you will dream big. You will see your biggest vision yet. You will align your mind and your soul and you will set the intention in motion. When your mind and your soul are fully aligned, the energy flows freely through your body and removes the emotional blockages that stop you from manifesting your designed future. Now sit comfortably. You can close your eyes or allow your eyes to be open with a gentle gaze around the room. Let's take a few deep breaths together. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. As you go deeper, let's imagine that your mind and your soul are having a conversation. You can visualize it as if these were two people, two characters, or just energy flowing from your brain to your heart through the vagus nerve. Your soul is the part of you that is connected to the sea of energy that you are a part of. It is your connection to the field of all possibilities. It is the place where you get to create your future. Just take a few moments to connect to the soul part of you. Now visualize what would be like to manifest in your life, be it an event, something material, or your biggest vision yet. visualize it, and then mentally whisper to your soul, what is it that you are thinking about? Now, with your mind, ask your soul, why would you like to manifest this in your life? Allow some space for the question to resonate and listen very closely to the answer. The answers will come to you in the form of feelings in your soul or in the form of thoughts in your mind. The answers you receive will help you become crystal clear on the intention of why you want to manifest your vision, and you will find that you'll connect much deeper with it. Now absorb yourself into the desire of having your goal or vision. Think about all aspects of your life as if you already have it. You are now putting pure intention towards your desire. This type of pure intention comes from energetic soul level. It resonates with your heart, not with your mind. This should feel gentle and easy, just like sitting on the beach and watching the calm waves coming to shore. Now focus your full attention on feeling. Allow all your thoughts to melt away. As you feel completely engulfed in this bright, warm, wonderful feeling, now ask your mind, what does it mean to have this vision or goal manifest in my life? How does it feel to see it happening in my future? Sit with these thoughts and feelings and feel becoming that person who has already all of those things real and certain in their life. You create tangible future with intangible feelings. Grant all the power of your mind to your feelings. You are tuning into the field of all possibilities through the language it receives. Feel every part of your body becoming more lively and tuning into the feelings. Allow your body to feel that you already are the person who has everything they ever dreamed of. Now gently whisper to yourself, I feel deeply grateful for connecting to the field of all possibilities and manifesting my dreams. I feel deeply grateful for connecting so easily and effortlessly my mind and my soul. I feel deeply grateful for becoming the person who lives their life the way they choose at any moment. I feel grateful that I am no longer connected to the desire of having my goal or my vision, because I already have it in my future. Use this grateful and flow state between your mind and your soul as a blueprint. Remember this feeling in every little detail and recreate it every day to manifest your dreams faster. You will feel it on a very deep level because it's already a part of you. By doing this visualization daily, you choose to align with the future that you want to create. Now, let's take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Slowly return to the space you are in, and whenever you're ready, open your eyes.